do you go to college or
My graduate.
Oh, cool. What school?
Rutgers.
Oh, nice.
It's
Piscataway or New Brunswick?
Yeah.
Cool.
You have to go there to do engineering.
Yeah, I've been there. I have a lot of friends that graduated from there as well.
Do you work in Chicago
Well, I'm taking my board soon for pharmacy, and yeah, I'm hoping to move back to Chicago. Whoa, that's a big wave. It's What's up? No, no, no. I'm actually here with my wife, but she's 6 months pregnant, so she can't do this. So, thanks. I'm just gonna turn this around. So she's a teacher in upstate, right? Because we live in Albany. So she's a teacher in Troy, which is like a suburb of Albany, if you want to call it that. Yeah. She's just using the pool and because we're staying at the Cascade, so they have like a nice pool and area over there. So she's just kind of sunbathing and utilizing the pool. Yeah, because I think they have a rule. I mean, which I support. They don't let pregnant women do this stuff. So yeah, no, definitely not. What's that? No. Alright, I'm gonna turn this thing around. Yeah, no. Alright, let's pick up some. Oh, they're all being towed. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Are you Indian?
Yeah.
So am I.
Were you born in America?
Yep, born and raised in Chicago, yep. What about you? Yeah.
Where did you meet your wife? In college?
No, actually I met her at a wedding in DC way back when. Aisha? Yep, yep. And this is probably our last like overseas vacation in a long time. Can you? Because I heard they can get really cranky and especially the shorter flights I heard it's okay, but I heard like longer flights, I don't know.
So I have a lot of cousins who live abroad, like in Africa and Australia.
Yeah.
Those flights are super expensive.
Yes, and long.
Yes, I think babies are free up until like
2 years old. Yep, I think you can be 2. Yeah.
they flew their children over.
Really?
And they take them on vacation as well.
And they didn't have any issues with like crying or?
I don't know about the crying part.
Yeah.
Some other things like said like places in Europe or like do crying stuff and then they told because everyone's super helpful and nice.
Yeah.
Like it's really hard to describe it in America.
Right, right, right.
I think my cousin Africa just had a baby and
Oh, we're in Africa.
Johannesburg and like Botswana.
Oh, no way. Okay, because I have a lot of relatives all over Africa as well. South Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi. Yep.
So like he came and he flew like to New York and I want to bring my baby.
Yeah.
But it's not like there's like no elevators, escalators anywhere.
Yeah.
So I feel like he used to think this is not how it is in other countries. He was really upset.
Yeah. Yeah.
Totally travel for being an
Yeah. I guess, you know what?
Super baby, super happy.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'll find out in the first probably 3.5 months if I have like a crying baby or not. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. There you go. Okay, you want to go on the right side of that thing? The buoy? Let's just go left, yeah. Yeah. Let's turn. Yep. What happened?
I want to buy a kayak back home.
Is this your first time, you said?
No, I still want to buy one of these.
Yeah, I mean, I do too. It's just that I feel like the water is a little bit more choppier in the northeast.
Yeah.
So what's that?
There's not a lake.
There is. You know, in New York actually we have like Lake George, which is pretty calm, and you can definitely do it there. We can definitely, yeah, you know, you're right. You can do it in a lot of lakes for sure. It is for sure. You're good. Are we going around that thing, do you know? Or yeah. That's what it looks like. Yep, there's like a little small little opening over there. This is really cool. I wonder how do people get here? Like in that little area over there? Oh, they just, okay, yeah, it looks like they just climb the rocks and yeah. Oh god, these waves are like pushing us in. Holy shit. Oh my god. Whoa, what is that? Rocks, yeah. People are snorkeling here. I don't want to hit that guy. Yo! Sorry, don't want to hit you. This is so cool. Wow. If you want to take a rest, I can just do it myself. No, it's fine. Trust me. It's no big deal.